I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss a very important bonus question. You might see this in your test paper. So let me write this slightly bigger. Okay, so we are looking at the expression which is 4th root of 12 x to the power of 5 divided by 4th root of 3 x cube y to the power of 6. I'd like you to pause the video, simplify the given expression, and then look into my suggestions. So let us see, how do we simplify this expression? Well, we can always write this since both numerator and denominators are to the 4th root, right? So I could actually write both of them together. So I'm going to write this as 12 x to the power of 5 divided by 3 x cube y to the power of 6. Makes sense, right? We can simplify 12 and 3, right? So 4th root of 4 and see x to the power of 5 and x cube. So we get x squared here, right? As far as y is concerned, we have y to the power of 6 in the denominator. Now, since we have to simplify this 4th root, and you have something like squares here, a good method of doing it is y to the power of 6 needs to be kind of rationalized, right? So I could write this as what? This is a critical step. So we have 4x squared over y to the power of 6. Look here. If I multiply and divide by y squared, what happens? We get y to the power of 8 in the denominator. We get y to the power of 8 in the denominator. Dividing by 4, it gives you y squared. Perfect, right? So now, see where we are. So we have the 4th root, and the numerator we have 4x squared y squared, right? So we have 4 x squared y squared. So all are squares, right? And here we have y to the power of 8. Correct? So we can square root it further. And so we could write this as a radical, right? And then the square root of the inside terms, which is 4x squared y squared over y to the power of 8. Correct? Now, the inside radical can be written as square root of 4 is 2, right? And x and y. And here we get y squared, right? Since it is power of 4, so we get y to the power of 4, right? 8 divided by 2. So now that is y squared. So we have square root of 2xy over y squared. Does it make sense? So that is how it can be simplified in simple steps. Now these are not so simple, perfect, but I hope you understand the logic, how we moved and how we simplified a radical expression where the 4th root was to be simplified, right? So normally we are doing square roots, but here we have done rationalization of 4th root in a very beautiful way. So I hope you understand and appreciate it. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on the address given. Thanks for your time and all the best.